What's the meaning of agreeably? Agreeably. 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 Agreeably is an adverb that describes something that is pleasant or agreeable in nature. It refers to a feeling of satisfaction or approval that one experiences when interacting with a particular object, situation, or person. When something is described as agreeably, it means that it is enjoyable or pleasing to the senses. For example, an agreeably warm summer day might be comfortable and pleasant to be outside, while an agreeably sweet dessert might be tasty and satisfying to eat. Overall, agreeably connotes positivity and satisfaction in one's experience.